Gillian and I'm so excited about today's video. I totally look like a present today with this little bow on top, which is perfect because today's video is all about DIY slime gifts for the holidays. Today I am combining three of my favorite things, which is Christmas, slime, and gifts, and I've put them all together to create some really awesome DIY holiday slime gifts. And oh my gosh, I am so obsessed with how these turned out. I hope I get something like this for Christmas. I was so obsessed with the little slime kit that I made. It was adorable. If this is my first video that you're seeing and you're wondering who I am, then hello, my name is Gillian and I love Christmas and slime. And if you would like to see more videos from me in the future and you haven't already subscribed, then just go ahead and click the red subscribe button, and then whenever I upload a new video, you're going to be able to see it. I definitely think it's time that we jump into the video. I hope you guys love all these DIY gift ideas, and let's get started. For the first slime gift idea, we are going to be creating a DIY slime kit. So this is perfect if you have a friend that is super crafty and it means that they can make their own slime. So this is going to be a box filled with slime making supplies, and you can use a bag or a basket or a cute decorated box, but I decided to use this little cardboard pot that I had lying around, and I decided to give it a bit of a Christmas makeover. So I started off by painting it a really pretty pale pink, and then I went in with a gloss Mod Podge because I love the finish of this and it just makes it really glossy and shiny. Then I took some white ribbon and I wrapped this around the middle, and I just used some glue to stick this on, and this looked like Santa's belt. I was originally going to go for a traditional red Santa looking pot, but then I thought it would be so cute if I did a pink one and then they could use it as decor afterwards. So then I decided to take these rhinestones, and using more of that glue, I just did the little belt buckle, and it's so sparkly and cute already. I'm loving how this is looking. To finish off this super adorable Santa pot, I just took some of this fake snow that I had, and then I just placed some Mod Podge around the top of the pot and then sprinkled the fake snow on top, and I was pressing it in as I was going just to make sure that as much as possible was sticking. And this looks so cute. It was really frosted and it was just so Christmassy and wintry, and honestly this pot is so adorable. What do you guys think? I think it's the most cute little Santa pot and it makes me so happy. But now to make it even better, we're going to fill it with slime making supplies, so you can use whatever you like. I have some glue here, some sprinkles, some cute little slime charms. You can add foam beads, glitter, you can even add scent, food coloring. Make sure you include some activator though, so that they can activate their slime, and I labeled it. Always make sure that you label your activator. And here I'm just filling a little love heart shaped pot with some large foam beads. These look so cute. So now to put it all together, I just placed some shredded pink paper just to add some filling, and then I went in with all my slime making supplies and I played around with this for a bit until it looked really nicely arranged, and I had so much fun doing this and just seeing it all come together. I've got a really cute little gingerbread man charm there, and then I felt like it needed some more sparkle, so I had these glittery snowflake stickers and I just stuck these all over the slime making supplies, and this seriously transformed this into the most beautiful slime kit I think I have ever seen. Not only can you make incredible slime with it, but you also have this really cute pot to hold on to after. If you have a friend that has always wanted to try making slime but doesn't have the supplies, then this is the perfect gift to give them this Christmas. For the next slime gift idea, we are going to be making a slime box. So we are actually going to be creating some slime and then packaging it all together to look beautiful and make the perfect gift. It's kind of like getting a slime package from a slime shop, but you're going to create it yourself. So starting off, we need to prepare some activator, and my favorite activator recipe is half a teaspoon of borax mixed with 1 cup of warm water, and then I just popped it in a bottle labeled activator and set this aside. So for the first slime, I decided to make a winter wonderland slime because when I think of Christmas, I think of snowflakes and sparkly things and just all things wintry. So starting off, I just placed some clear glue in a bowl and then added a dash of water and mixed this all together until it was the same consistency. Then I added a tiny bit of blue food coloring just to give it a slight blue tint, and then I just added a bunch of glitter to make sure that it was super sparkly, and this was so pretty. I love adding glitter to clear slimes, and this totally gave me winter vibes, which is perfect. And then just taking that activator that I prepared earlier, I just started activating this slime, and I made sure to do this really slowly so I didn't over activate it, and I had so much fun creating this. Once the slime was all activated, I decided to add some iridescent flakes to glisten and look like snow, and then I also added a small packet of slushy beads to give it a really awesome texture. Then I just placed them in an airtight container, topped it off with some really cute snowflake sprinkles and a big snowflake charm, and then popped the lid on, and this was my first wintry Christmassy slime. Moving on, I decided to make a two-toned twisted candy cane slime, and I love this one so much, so I started off by adding some glue to a bowl, and then I scented it just like candy cane. This is one of my favorite scents at the moment. I also added quite a bit of lotion to make sure it was nice and stretchy, and then I went ahead and activated this slime. So I started off by making a large base, and then I'm going to split this in two and tint half of it later on. I just find that this is an easier way to make two-tone slimes. It's just to make a bigger batch at the beginning. I really wanted this slime to have a butter slime texture, so I added quite a bit of soft Daiso clay and mixed this in, and this is always so much fun to do. Then taking a separate bowl, I just took about half of that slime that I prepared and I tinted this a super bright pink. I decided to do pink instead of the traditional red because, well, I really like the color pink and it makes me happy. Then to get that awesome candy cane twist effect, I just swirled the two colors together in a plastic container and then just popped the lid on top, and this looked so awesome in the container. I was so obsessed with it. For the third slime in this Christmas slime trio, I decided to make a candy themed clear slime. So starting off with some clear glue in a bowl, I just tinted this a really pretty bright pink, and I made sure not to add too much because I don't want it to be really opaque. I just wanted to have a slight pink tint. And then going in with some really pretty glitter, I added some iridescent stars and then a bunch of fine glitter and mixed this all in and made sure that it was very sparkly and very Christmassy. And then I just took some of that activator that I prepared and started adding this slowly to the slime and mixing it in until I was happy with the slimy consistency. To finish off this candy themed slime, I added a small packet of clear fishbowl beads, some really pretty iridescent flakes, and then these super cute little candy themed sprinkles, and also some heart-shaped sponges just to make sure it had amazing bubble pops and to give it a really awesome texture. Now to package up this slime, I just added some to a clear plastic container and topped it off with some really cute little candy themed charms. And now this completes our third slime in our Christmas slime trio. And then I added some little slime stickers on top that just said Gillian Bauer slime. Those are my slime stickers that I created and I just love the way they look on top of slimes that I make. I feel so proud. And then I just popped some labels on the bottom with the names of the slime. Then I added a bow to a box because there's always time for a bow. Let me know in the comments below if you know what Christmas movie that's from. And then I just added some shredded paper because this looks so cute, and then also some gold tinsel, and this just made it so Christmassy and extra magical. Then I just arranged the slimes and then we have the finished slime package. This is so cute. I would love to receive this, and you can be so creative with the slimes in this and just have fun with it. I saved the biggest and the best slime gift idea for last, and it is a slime palette. So this is going to have Christmas slimes in it as well as slime supplies, and I am so happy with how this turned out. So this is a larger slime gift, but this is a very special gift for someone who just really loves slime. This will honestly make their day, and it's just as much fun to create as it is to receive. So I just started filling this plastic container with a bunch of slimes, and I found this in a craft store, and I'm pretty sure it's meant to hold craft supplies, but it was perfect for these slimes. And I made these slimes in a DIY video over on my slime channel, which if you didn't know, I do have a slime channel which is dedicated to all things slimes. I upload on it about twice a week, sometimes 3 times a week, and I love it so much. So if you want to find out how I made all of these Christmassy slimes, I will leave a link in the description box where you can find this video. I think it's called Top 10 Christmas Slimes. I love that video so much, and you can see how I made all these slimes. But I just popped these in a container, and then in the bottom row of the container, instead of adding slime, I decided it would be so fun if I added some slime supplies. So I added some large marshmallow foam beads, some Java chips, some pastel foam beads, sprinkles, and some really cute Starbucks themed charms. And this looked so awesome and completed the slime palette. This was such an amazing gift. I was obsessed with it. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. And I just had to stare at it for so long because it was amazing. I think each compartment held about 4 ounces of slime, so like I said, it is quite a large slime gift. But if you know someone who is obsessed with slime, you can totally make their Christmas by creating this for them. I know I would be so happy to receive this, just with all the thought and care that went into making this. It would make me so happy. Oh my gosh, how adorable and fun were all those slime gifts. Let me know in the comments below which of these slime gifts were your favorite, and also let me know if you will be giving any of these gifts to your friends this Christmas. If you enjoyed today's video and you love Christmas just as much as I do, you can totally let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you all in my next video.